our 72-inch bakery display case. First off, the overall dimensions. A length of 72 inches and a depth of 27 inches. Overall height with wheels, we have 55.25 inches tall. The height for the base, we have 20.5 inches. Dual slide doors. Included will be 3 shelves, with each shelf that can be adjusted to the height of your preference. Each shelf measuring in the length of 67 inches, and a depth for the first shelf measuring 12.25 inches, while the second and third shelf we have a depth of 14.5 inches for each. So the first shelf is narrow, and the second and third shelf more widened in depth. Included for each shelf on the bottom of each one will be LED lights. LED strips that will illuminate and display the products on the corresponding shelf beneath. Measurements for the fourth bottom area, we have a length of 69 inches in length for depth of 14.25 inches. And included will be a pamphlet and instruction guide for this bakery case. Coming to the back of the bakery case, our 110 and 120 voltage plug, power switch along with the temperature controller, and the ETL certification with the technical specifications for this display. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.